students. No one in the world can do everything alone. You might be smart, intelligent, or might be hardworking also. But when we take support and give support to each other, things become easy and success also becomes easy. With the help of this moral story session, we'll get to understand that how with the help of cooperation and unity, we can even achieve those things that we cannot achieve alone.
Once there was a farmer. He had 4 children. They always fight with one another. On seeing this, farmer was very upset. Then he got an idea. He gave a stick to each of them and asked them to break it. They all did it very easily. Then he took a bundle of sticks and gave it to the first child and asked, "Break it now." He was unable to break the sticks. Then the farmer passed it to the next child. He also said it is impossible to break it. Then he passed the sticks to the next child. After trying to break the sticks, he said it is very difficult. Then he passed it to the 4th child. But he also couldn't. The farmer said, "Do you understand what this means?" He explained, "If you remain united like the bundle of sticks, no one can harm you." The children were very happy and they never fight again. So, the moral of the story is unity is strength.